How's it going today, guys? Back at it on the old 63, working on putting in the headlight buckets. So I thought I'd kind of talk about some frustrations I've had with. So I bought these plastic headlight buckets, which I think I ought to go with some metal ones. These were about $60 shipped. I can only get one bolt hole in. The other one should be here. You can see it's a little off. And then obviously the bottom of that weldment, or the weld nut there, is down here, and the hole's way up here. So I've had the same trouble on the other side of the car, and I thought possibly it's due to that side being a 62, and maybe these headlight buckets are made more for a 63 because 62s had some weird stuff going on with them, like I've talked about in my previous videos. So I tried to drill it on the other side and it just cracked, and then once it catches it just cracks it. So it's got 2 bolts holding that side in. I'm going to try the same thing for this side. I don't have very high hopes for it, but we'll see how it turns out, so stay tuned. Alright, so the top one worked out, or the middle one worked out somewhat decent. The bottom one, however, just kind of split on me there. I don't know if you can see the crack here. On camera, I'll try to get it. You can see there's a crack that runs right along my fingertip there. So we'll just kind of keep going with it. I'm going to bolt it together, put the fender back on. Also, I don't know if I mentioned, I went ahead and got the rubber seals in to protect the hinges. I think I've talked about that. So that's kind of nice. Ultimately, this isn't a big deal. It's really frustrating. I'm not sure how the trim's going to work on the front. We'll get to that here later. So to be honest, I'm not quite sure whether that goes on the outside or the inside of the fender. Either way, the bolt holes kind of, sort of, some of them line up and some of them don't. I'm debating whether to just replace them with some metal ones later on down the road. I got the grill in. It's missing the supports over here, so I'll have to look into finding some of those. But other than that, the front end's coming together. It actually looks like a car now, at least to me. So I think we end this video here. It's a really short one, so just a little update on what's actually going on and how it looks. All right, thanks for watching.